For homeowners in Rockford, comfort, energy savings, and style often go hand in hand. With weather that can swing from warm, humid summers to brisk, windy winters, finding ways to make your home more efficient is a smart investment. One upgrade that's gaining attention across Rockford neighborhoods is the installation of energy-efficient awning windows. These versatile windows not only enhance the look of your home but also help maintain consistent indoor temperatures and lower your energy bills year-round. Let's explore why awning windows are such a smart choice for Rockford homes. Designed for efficiency in every season, energy-efficient awning windows are specifically engineered to handle Rockford's diverse climate. Their design, hinged at the top and opening outward from the bottom, creates a tight seal when closed, preventing drafts and air leaks that can drive up energy costs. When combined with double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and argon gas insulation, awning windows act as a barrier against heat loss in winter and heat gain in summer. In summer, they block excessive sunlight and reduce cooling needs by reflecting infrared heat. In winter, they trap indoor warmth, ensuring your home stays cozy without overworking your heating system. That means year-round comfort for you and noticeable savings on utility bills, something every Rockford homeowner can appreciate. Maximizing airflow without compromising efficiency. One of the most appealing features of awning windows is their ability to improve ventilation even when it's raining. Because they open outward at an angle, they allow fresh air to flow in while keeping rainwater out, a major advantage during Rockford's unpredictable weather. When strategically placed high on walls or paired with picture windows, awning windows help circulate fresh air efficiently, promoting better indoor air quality. You can enjoy breezes throughout your home without sacrificing insulation or comfort. A tight seal that prevents energy waste. Even the best window glass can't perform well if the frame or seal is weak. Fortunately, energy-efficient awning windows are designed for superior sealing performance. Their compression seal system, similar to a refrigerator door, creates an airtight closure every time you lock the window. This tight fit reduces energy waste, prevents moisture intrusion, and enhances noise insulation. In Rockford, where temperature swings can create condensation on poorly sealed windows, awning windows' secure design helps prevent those issues, keeping your home dry, quiet, and energy efficient. Perfect for both modern and traditional Rockford homes. Awning windows are a flexible design choice that complements nearly every architectural style found in Rockford, from classic bungalows to modern ranch homes. Their sleek, horizontal design pairs beautifully with contemporary exteriors, while their practical functionality makes them a favorite in mid-century and craftsman-style homes. Available in a variety of materials, vinyl, fiberglass, wood-clad, or aluminum, you can easily find an option that fits your home's aesthetic and your personal preferences. And if you love natural light, pairing awning windows with larger fixed windows creates a bright, airy feel without compromising energy performance. Low maintenance, long-term savings. Energy-efficient awning windows are built for longevity and ease of care. Their outward opening design makes them easy to clean from inside your home, while their durable construction resists warping, rust, and wear from Rockford's seasonal weather changes. Because they're energy efficient, they also reduce strain on your HVAC system, which can extend the lifespan of your heating and cooling equipment, a hidden benefit that saves you even more in the long run. When properly installed by local professionals, these windows can last for decades while maintaining their energy-saving performance and sleek appearance. The value of professional installation. While the window itself plays a key role in energy efficiency, professional installation ensures you get the full benefit. Local experts in Rockford understand the area's climate and building standards, ensuring your awning windows are installed with precision for maximum performance. From selecting the right frame materials to ensuring airtight sealing, professional installers help you achieve both energy savings and long-lasting comfort. Final thoughts for Rockford homeowners looking to enhance comfort, save money, and elevate their home's design. Energy-efficient awning windows are a smart, stylish solution. They combine exceptional ventilation with strong insulation, making them ideal for all 4 seasons. With their sleek appearance, low maintenance, and proven energy performance, these windows are more than just a home improvement. They're a long-term investment in comfort, sustainability, and value. So, if you're considering a window upgrade, look no further than energy-efficient awning windows, a simple change that delivers year-round rewards for your Rockford home.